The Winguard Sport 2 is the performance studless winter tire your sports sedan needs to tackle tough winter weather. We've increased the number of blocks by 17% to further improve snow and wet traction over its predecessor. The Winguard Sport 2 is perfect for sports sedans and comes in 49 different sizes ranging from 16 to 20 inches. Turn to the Winguard Sport 2 for exceptional dry and wet handling, as well as solid performance in snow-covered road conditions. With the Winguard Sport 2's multi-SIPE design, you can brake with confidence on icy and snowy roads. Get a good grip no matter the weather. Directional tread design enhances traction in both snowy and dry road conditions. Reduce the risk of hydroplaning with the Winguard Sport 2's large wide groove design, which drains water away efficiently for improved traction. Three-dimensional winter sipes lock the tread blocks together to improve snow performance and guarantee block stiffness in dry conditions. You won't be left out in the cold with the Winguard Sport 2's 36 months of roadside assistance. When cold temperatures hit, treat your sports sedan to the Winguard Sport 2. Enjoy well-balanced performance no matter the weather.